Where are we?
IKEA.
IKEA. Proudly Swiss made and owned.
I'm so nervous the first time.
Wow.
Like, look at this table. It's 99.
Swiss made. Sweet. Not Swiss. Swede made. Swedish made. They have these bags. You want a good bag? So yeah, we're in IKEA in Richmond, British Columbia.
Tell them why are we here?
Because we are moving to a new apartment, so we're getting some furniture.
Some
Very
stuff.
excited. Here we are. IKEA. I guess so.
Oh, look, they have
Oh yeah. $8 set, 8 for 8. Not bad.
this. I want to get
Salt
this,
and pepper.
no, this is like for the spices.
Oh yeah, for
But
sure.
I want a little bit bigger size. They're like 129.
Pretty tiny.
Okay, so the main thing.
Look at this bed, babe. I just want to like dive into it. Looks so comfy. And they got this. I like this for breakfast in bed. Gabby's looking around her new closet.
I like the carpet.
Yeah, carpet's nice. Here's the bathroom. There's more.
But I don't like the price.
Nope. Unfortunately, I'll never do. Yeah, $500 for this? Shit. It's expensive.
This is the thing for the bed.
Yeah. How much is that?
You didn't see it on the thing. So
Oh, yeah? You want to get one?
babe, concentrate. We don't need that right now.
Green tea.
I like this though, like for the tea. And then you
Yeah.
put the leaves in there.
For the loose leaf.
And then the mugs. What is the price of the mugs? $3.90. Oh my god. But this is nothing in here or what?
I think so, probably, yeah.
How can we see it?
Snuggle, sneeze, repeat.
This is black tea.
My favorite.
We're not supposed to open it.
I'm a black tea drinker.
Okay.
It's like a
These are
light stand.
things for yeah,
How much for the?
$139.
I want everything here.
Okay, let's keep looking. So far, you like the other one or this one?
This one. Couches.
comfortable. I like.
Mm.
Yeah, touch it is more. If you touch it, it's more.
Sturdy. Ooh, I like this chair.
This one is on good price. $279. If I think if we buy stuff here, it's cheaper than buying it online.
Oh yeah?
Because this bed, this thing, this one,
That looks really comfortable.
this one is comfortable.
Yeah. I like this one, babe.
You like this one?
Yes.
And I think it goes with gray. Like, you think the couch we have is like that gray? No, right? It's a little bit darker.
It was lighter than this.
So it's in between.
Yeah. I like this rug though.
You like this one?
I do.
More than the other one?
Yes, I like this rug. I'm sold. I want everything.
Oh, this says pick up this in the road market hall. I don't know where is that.
Ooh, I like this chair too. Fortunately, I don't like the price.
I don't like that price. Oh, this is like the kind of rock I like, which is like
Braided.
because I feel like this material goes very well with this color wood, and I think the couch is that color. Don't you think the couch you have is that color?
I like it. Yeah. I like the other rug.
The other one. It's more comfy. And then shelf you this thing.
Like a comfy couch.
I like the lamps. Oh, this feels so nice.
Oh, wow, look at this. Very woody.
This is the cutting board,
Very wooden.
but it doesn't have price. Look. And the beer glass.
Ooh, we got Hennessy and Bailey's.
If I could, I wanted a sofa this color.
Creme de menthe. Yeah, that's a nice color. It's like brown.
Yeah.
Brown, yeah. Found our new coffee French press. Find out.
Look at the sofa.
Oh, look at the chairs. Yeah.
Okay, these are the ones that where you put the TV.
Ah, yeah.
So either we get the, I think for the moment the other one is fine because it's like $60 something.
Mm-hmm.
And we don't try it.
You good?
It's firm.
Oh yeah.
But I feel it's very thin.
We like thick.
Oh no,
What?
that is too soft.
Yeah. Little twin beds. Ooh, the closet. Nice shoes. Oh, this bed looks super comfortable. Comfortable.
Oh my god, this one feels like plastic.
Look at the bathroom. Display only. Don't shower here, people.
It says that?
Well, it says display only, so don't drop your drawers and take a shower. Do the toilet.
Okay, these are one. Can I take a few of these?
Yeah, sure.
It's like, so wait, through natural bamboo. So like $5? No, like $6. You know what? We don't need it right now.
True. More kitchen stuff. Got some cutting utensils, knives.
You want the big one or you want like a square?
Well, we have one right now, but we need another one as well.
Because the one we use, the round one, we should only use it like for meat or for veg, and then the new one just for vegetable.
Okay. Yeah, get a. You think this one? These are cutting boards?
These are the ones that you put on the edge.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the only thing I don't know.
What about a lot of options? That one's nice too.
What's that? I think
That was nice. Nice one.
problem, yeah, the problem with those ones, I feel like the hair
It's short. I like it. This one. Done. Finishing up shopping at IKEA.
Our IKEA Business Network is now open, a loyalty club designed especially for small businesses of all kinds. As a member, you get access to exclusive benefits like member-only discounts, free quick fix
Yeah, I like
design
that
tips, and perks for your team to help your business grow.
Me too.
Join today at ikea.cn/business network. It's quick, easy, and free.
Where are we supposed to go?
You're going straight, babe. Go straight. So got a hot dog from IKEA. Got some stuff. Spent around $75 for some home items. But going to dive into this Kia hot dog. Here we go. Just finished shopping at IKEA. Got a lot of stuff. Some home essentials. Spent around $70. You could definitely spend a lot more money there. But beautiful place.
It's like you have a lot of options to choose from. There's a lot everywhere. It's like overwhelming.
A lot of stuff. We also got a $1 hot dog, which was really good. Really good price. You don't see that nowadays.
Casi me vuelvo loca.
Really good. Okay, Rico. All right, guys. See you later. Till next time.
Bye.
Bye, boy.